Hey guys! We are the Teakids and today we will be reviewing T2's French Earl Grey tea. So what you need to make the tea is the tea leaves, you need a spoon, you need a tea maker, but if you don't have a tea maker, you can use a teapot. And the teapot needs to have a strainer in it. So first, you have to get your tea leaves and you have to put a spoonful into the tea maker. Oops. And next you have to add boiling water. So we have the boiling water in the tea maker and now we need to wait for 3 minutes. So now that we've waited for 3 minutes, we're gonna pour the tea in the cups. And I'm gonna have some friends over to review it with me. Well, I got some friends to help me review the tea. Come on, guys. So, let's just drink. So, what do you rate it?
I reckon 4 out of 5 for me.
Really? Well, it kind of tastes a bit like regular black tea, so I'm going to rate it a 3 out of 5.
I reckon I'm going to rate it a 3.5 out of 5.
So, if you want to do something extra, you can put sugar in it. Or, you can put a little bit of milk in it. And it makes the tea a bit less strong and a bit more sweeter.